Welcome to Grow Live with Patti and Jackie. I am Patti Armbrister of the Agrarian Food Web Consultant.
And I'm JackieMarie Beyer of the Green Organic Garden Podcast. Together, we are Grow Live, where we answer your farm and garden questions to help you grow a healthier world, one question at a time to one gardener at a time. Our goal is to help you be successful in growing healthy food and creating a healthier place.
And I am an agriculture educator. For the past 50 years, I have growing experience. And I have gardened in Michigan, Oklahoma, and currently living in Montana for the past 30 years. I coach people to help them to grow healthier plants using soil health practices and regenerative agriculture. I will be answering a lot of your questions each week. If Jackie and I do not know the answer to your question, though, I can almost guarantee between her and I, we know the right people to be able to get your questions answered. We know a lot of people with a lot of knowledge and wisdom when it comes to growing food.
And a little bit about me. My husband, Mike, and I have been happily married together here in the Rocky Mountains of Northwest Montana, building our homestead and productive garden beds for over 25 years. For the last 6 years, I've been the host of the Green Organic Garden Podcast, where I interview backyard gardeners, market farmers, sustainable agriculture experts like Patti Armbrister, and I'm passionate environmentalists from around the world, learning the best techniques to help you grow the most nutritious food in the easiest manner. So Grow Live is our answer to it's a free educational service. We will be answering your questions without any outside influences. Each week, we will be discussing a different subject. You can participate by sending us your questions in the comments on the YouTube channel.
Or you can also support us on our Patreon site.
So we sure look forward to hearing from you. We're excited to help you with your farm and garden. Until then, let's grow a healthier world